new Capri gives you a lot more car than you expect. Performance, versatility, space.
My name is Shalika Ganevatta and this is a 1980 Ford CAPRI MK3, late import in 1984. Internationally it was known as Project Kala.
The new Ford Capri, the difference between driving and just motoring. Performance as sporting as you like.
This was designed by a German painter, sculptor called Uwe Bunsen, who was working for Ford for 28 years. He'd actually designed the Ford Mercury, Sierra and a couple of other cars. Now, I have had it for about 15 years now. I'm the 5th owner. When I bought it, had lots of stickers. They have changed the dashboard, the steering, even the rear lights, all that. So I got back everything, got the original stuff and got it back to original spec. It's a fun car to drive, I have been all over in this. I have been to Mahagastota, I have taken part in Mahagastota events. It was a very fun event. Going up and down was quite enjoyable. With the base model 1.3 Kent engine, but then again in torque there is top end. I mean, for a 1300 it's pretty good.
The 1300 gives you good fuel economy. The well-proven suspension layout, long wheelbase and wide track gives safe, predictable handling.
And it's a practical car, I use it all the time. I take it when I go cycling, I hook up my cycle on this.
Space, if you don't want to carry 4 people, fold the back seats down and you get a massive 22 cubic feet of it.
I think there were 3 legally imported cars and this is the only one that with the original stock engine. Other than the jelly bean wheels, I haven't changed anything. I kept it original as possible. The seats were redone, but door cards, everything else is original. When I purchased it, 15 years ago, the market wasn't that high, so I picked it up quite cheap. Yeah, at that era, I mean, this particular model, because there were very few imported, so it was in demand, or kind of people were looking at it. Ford Cortinas, Escorts, especially the base model Escort, you can still, still affordable. And these are great investments. Right now in Sri Lanka, I think buying a classic car is a huge investment. If you have the passion, you should invest and enjoy the cars. It's like character on its own and nice to look at, the design wise.